so I'm calling 911.
No, we don't know what to do. We don't know. Like,
I guess you guys want to just drive down into the main part of...
And call, like where there's light.
You guys, they're probably gonna ask to stay there. If you guys are gonna call, you have to stay there.
No, we're...
No, we can't stay.
well, we left because whatever we did, it didn't give them the stuff.
Was there blood?
Yes. I didn't see. It looks like she might have just...
I don't know.
What stunk at it? That didn't smell right.
I mean,
It smelled like death. It smelled like a dead rat.
You're gonna make a report, and then I'll your guys, you guys are witnesses at this point, so.
Could we do shushing?
I mean, yeah.
Someone saw the plane thing.
Why are you going
He's not. He's just going back in time. Here, I'm calling.
Did you smash traffic?
so sketchy?
Did you Snapchat again?
shut up.
Hi. Hi. I'm over in Old Town. I'm not sure if it's an emergency, but I believe that we found a dead body here by the old Presidio Church. We drove down the hill. It is the old mission. I'm not quite sure of the exact name of the mission. But right now,
First mission, Captain.
we just drove down the hill just to get kind of away in case anybody's still nearby. But right now we are right here by, what is this cross street? What does that say?
We're in lot C of the parking
Twigs
lot.
and
Right by the old
Old
town
State
San Diego.
Historical Park.
We're in lot C in the parking lot
what is the cross street?
in Old Town.
Juan?
Twigs and Juan Street is where we're at right now, but the body is at the mission above, right up the hill. Edward Perez? Yes. 619 677 4132.
And what's the color, make, and model of the vehicle you're looking for?
What kind of car is? It's a navy blue Nissan. What is this car? Ultima. Yes.
And you know the plate number of the vehicle?
Do you have your plate number memorized?
7
SKS.
7SKS
105.
105.
I think it's 0.
Do you know if that's correct? I got 7.
Is that right?
Samuel King Samuel.
Samuel King Samuel
Daniel King Samuel.
105.
105.
I'll have officers come and meet the stake and show them where it is, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
All right, appreciate your help. Bye. All right, they're gonna meet us right here.
Let me see the video.
We just go.